Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 3 of exercise 14.3 of chapter 14 symmetry of class 7. So here question number 3 is, if a figure has 2 or more lines of symmetry, should it have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? Yes, because every line through the center forms a line of symmetry. Fine, the line which is going to pass from the center, that is the line of symmetry, and it has rotational symmetry around the center of every angle. So it is true. So now let's move to our next question. Question number 4, fill in the blanks. See here, now shape is given to us. What we have to find out? The center of rotation, then order of rotation and angle of rotation. So here I am having sphere. What is saying here? The center of rotation. You can see here that we are having a sphere. In sphere, as we have to find out the center of rotation. So what we'll do here, as we know that these are the diagonals and going to intersect at the center. So it is the intersecting point of the diagonals, the center of rotation. Then order of rotation, as we know that these line symmetries are also are included there in the line of symmetry. So a sphere is having how many line of symmetry? A sphere is having 1, 2, 3, 4 line of symmetries. And angle of rotation, how to find angle of rotation? What we'll do here, we know that a diagram is completing a complete revolution up to 360 degree, and it is having 4 sides, or we can say that 4 line of rotation. So order of rotation is 4. So what we'll do here, we will divide it by 4. I will get our angle of rotation as 90 degree. Fine. Same here with the rectangle. As rectangle, we are having line of symmetry is only 2 line of symmetry. So here what we can see here, the point of intersections can be diagonal, and it is having only 2 line of symmetries. And see here, what is rotation? Its rotation is, angle of rotation is 180 degree. As we know that how we'll rotate it, as we have done it earlier, that when you are having a rectangle, see it's a rectangle, I want its original position. First of all, it will rotate like this, then this. You can see here 2 times I rotate it, so it is having 360 divided by 2, that is 180 degree angle of rotation. Then here next one is rhombus. Rhombus, what is here? In rhombus again, the center of rotation is the intersecting point of diagonals, and same in rhombus we are having only order of rotation as 2, and angle of rotation is again 360 divided by 2, that is 180. Fine. Then same here, after that we are having a equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle again, when we are going to draw an equilateral triangle, we know that all those line of symmetries are going to intersect at where? At the center, and that one line which is going to pass from here. See, this equilateral triangle, see, these all are the medians, we can say. Fine, in this diagram. So intersecting point here is the medians. Fine, the midpoint is the median of the diagram, that one equilateral triangle. So intersecting point of the median, we can say the center point of this one. Then it is having order of rotation as 3, and here again 360 divided by 3, that is 120 degree is your angle of rotation. Then same here, I am having here regular hexagon. So again in this diagram, intersecting point of is the diagram, that is the center of rotation, and as regular hexagon is having 6 sides, so it is having a order of rotation as 6, and angle of rotation is 360 divided by 6. It means to see here 360 divided by 6, that is 60 degree. Fine. With the same way, next is circle. In circle, the center of rotation is its origin, its center, and it is having infinite line of symmetries, or order of rotation is here infinite, and here angle of rotation is what? At every point. Fine, its angle of rotation is every point of that circle which is going to rotate. Then same here, semicircle. Semicircle is, as we are having this one as semicircle, here the midpoint of the midpoint of the diameter is the center of rotation, and the order of rotation is what? See here, I am going to divide in this way. So is only 1 line of symmetry is there, so it is the order of rotation, and it rotates up to 360 degree because it will take revolution, one complete revolution. Fine. So its angle of rotation is 360 degree.